What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So the meme coin market was worth a hell of a lot back in the day. When I say back in the day, it was like 2021 when things were hitting their peak. Things were looking great. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, a lot of others were up and coming. And we saw things that were worth so much. And right now, the market currently is worth a 16 or 17 billion dollar market cap overall. Looking at Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, every other project that's in there, right? Floki and all others. So looking at this market, everybody's trying to figure out on this list what is the next to really take off, right? You have Dogecoin and SHIB that are there, but what is the next thing to really take off? There's a lot of different meme projects that CoinMarketCap has listed under the meme section, right? So you literally go through it, you can see it all the way down to $1 million. You can see Elmo on the list. You could see a lot of other ones like Doge Bonk and just things that are created in order to kind of mirror the success of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. And a lot of them don't only mirror the success of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, they copy the names, right? You see Buff Doge, you see Doji Doge, you see, Sonic Inu or something Inu or whatever, right? There's just a lot of names that are copying others to be the next one that takes off. And I want to take you through what I believe is going to be the next Shiba Inu in the year 2024. When we see this bull market, when are we going to see a push? When are we going to see the next thing that explodes, that gives people a ton of value there? And I think I can't say that I have a foolproof method. I can't say that these are absolutely right. And I think you guys should do a ton of research into it because I don't want to sit here and be like, these are absolutely amazing. And then, they don't turn out to be that way because anything could happen. We could see the rise of another cryptocurrency project. We could see, the fall of the entire meme coin market, honestly. I still think meme coins are going to be very, very important in the year 2024, just like they are important or were important in the year 2021, and they're going to be important in the year 2030. I feel like meme coins just bring people to the market, bring excitement to the market, and that's why you technically need them there. While we saw the initial run of, things like Safe Moon and how that, fell down, and then you see the big run of something like Doge and all of the hype that it brought and the positivity that it brought and no type of rug pull, no type of negativity. That's what we want. And we want to find those because there's a lot out there, again, that will make fun of a certain project or try and feed off of the hype of a project and then rug everybody. And we don't want that, right? So let's talk about this. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of those links down below. If you guys do want to sign up for Robinhood, use my link down below. You can get yourself a free stock worth all the way up to $200. That's if you sign up and you link your bank account, you can get a free stock. You don't even have to actually put money in there. You can just get your free stock by linking your bank account. That's a big deal because most people are like, what do I have to pay? You don't have to pay anything. It's just linking your bank account. Anyways, let's talk about this because like I said, the meme coin market is worth 16 or 17 billion dollars. That's what we see the entire market worth. If I scroll up on this really quick, you scroll up on this, you're going to see that it's worth $16 billion. You have $2 billion worth of volume. Volume coming through Dogecoin, where you see $1 billion. You see Shiba Inu has 359. You see Pepe that has 382 or 381. So what's really going to be the next Shiba Inu? Well, let's start with the obvious, right? The next Shiba Inu would have to be the one that's next in line, which would have to be Pepe. We saw Pepe's run up recently to where it went up to a $1.4 billion market cap, but then kind of caught up to the rest of the market. Saw a lot of the hype and volume really fall off, not fall off the face of the earth, but it fell off because the market really wasn't going in the right direction. So this definitely has the potential to grow to what Shiba Inu was and what Shiba Inu is. I would definitely say more of what Shiba Inu is now, because you're looking at a lower market cap versus the $40 billion market cap that I saw it at. Now, I said that I believe in a previous video on my main channel, I said that I believe Pepe can briefly pass Shiba Inu in market cap. So seeing that get up to a $4 billion market cap would technically take away one zero, and it would take away another zero because there's a 416 trillion supply. So a 4.16 billion dollar market cap could be feasible for Pepe, and a $40 billion market cap could be feasible for Pepe. So I believe this has that chance to really push past and be that next Shiba Inu. Even though it's not a dog, Dogecoin is a dog coin, Shiba Inu is a dog coin. I feel like we may see a change because Floki technically was next in line, and I don't feel like that's going to be the next Shiba Inu, just to kind of take that out of the mix. Now, not only is Pepe going to have the potential chance to do that, there are others that are out there that may be worth a little bit less. Another one that I believe could have a chance to get there would be Wall Street memes. I know people have called this out multiple times. The reason why I think that this could be the case is not because I think it's the most sound project in the world. The reason why is because it really feeds off of the meme side of it and where we were with Wall Street bets. And that's where, everybody's heads will continue to live when we do see a bull market, is in Wall Street bets. What bets do we have over in that Reddit forum? And now we have this kind of name that's living up to it. And I don't really know all of the different details there when it comes to everything behind it. So you might want to really check into it. But I think with the name itself, it really does push a whole different mindset, or technically the same mindset that we saw before, just with a position behind it, a cryptocurrency position behind it. So I'm interested to see what this could be. It is down 20% in the last day, but I'm interested to see what this could be, sitting at a $43 million market cap, and how far it can go. Could it go to a 400, $4 billion, $40 billion market cap? It's interesting because if you are in firm belief that this can go so much further and people are bullish on it, and it can go to a $4 billion, $40 billion market cap, you're not only looking at a 10x, but 100x or 1,000x as you see it get up to a $40 billion market cap. That's if you can see it get there. So again, this creates a little bit of opportunity, and it's just really behind the name and why I believe that this could be the case. They're not paying me. Nobody's paying me in this video in order to talk about all of this stuff. But it's just something that really caught my eye when we were looking through meme coins this morning. Another one that I went through is a position that I talked about in a previous video that I feel like, them dubbing now as the original meme coin would be Haycoin. Haycoin sits at a value of $2.4 million per coin. $2.4 million per coin. It got all the way up to about $5.5 million today. And seeing that, it says it's at a $137 million market cap. That's not true. It's actually at a $2 million market cap. And the reason why is because majority of the supply is actually burned off. So if we go into the contract of Haycoin, you're going to see that 90%, 95% of the supply is in the dead wallet, a wallet that can't be accessed. So that leaves 4.3 coins that are split amongst 5,800 or 5,900 holders within it. So it makes it very interesting because, again, as you see, news sources that are covering it, different news sources that are covering it, talking about 5.5 million, and how they basically said that this can be dubbed I'm trying to figure out where it is. I did highlight it, but for some reason it's gone. It can be dubbed the original meme coin. So here, even terming it the original meme coin. So just with that alone really shows me a ton that can come with it. And if you start to see backing from it, from people that are creating videos, kind of like this one, and see the potential in something like that, now you see this grow a hell of a lot more, and it doesn't hurt to put 100, or it doesn't hurt to put 200, or it doesn't hurt to put whatever into the position for a lot of people. And they're like, well, I just want to see what it ends up being. But I want you guys to even if you do research, I still feel like you can't really predict whether something is going to be absolutely the next meme coin. And the last one I wanted to put on this list is a coin that or a token that I feel as though has the potential, but isn't quite there yet when it comes to the hype. And that would be Elmo, right? Elmo, I've talked about in plenty of videos because of where it stands outside of being connected to Shiba Inu, outside of being connected to Pepe, outside of being connected to Dogecoin. There is no meme play that's out there, or there's no meme play that's out there that Elmo is trying to connect to. It is trying to be its own thing and burn its own supply. And they rapidly burn their own supply. And I love that about them. That's why I expect to see so much more out of this, not only from the burn perspective, even though they're going to burn a decent amount, from, you know, the volume and from the traction that you can get in a bull market. They've been doing a lot, being transparent, being docs that's out there. You're seeing a bunch of different stuff that really leads to transparency. So when I see different meme plays, I always think of Elmo, and Elmo is like, I don't know if they're like 50th on the list of meme coins, but they're all the way down the list. As you can see, you scroll down here and you're going to see them that's on the list. And I don't want to count all the way up, but that's where they stand, right? They're still on this list and they will work their way up to the top of this list, whether they get to the top 10 of meme coins or they get to the top 3. I think they will have their success and be able to make a large amount and could have the potential chance to become the next Shiba Inu in the form of value, in the form of market cap size, overall project size. So let me know what you think about this. I understand there's a lot of people that may be skeptical about some of these plays. Maybe it's Haycoin, maybe it's Pepe. Let me know what you think is going to make the biggest move. I'm sure you have your own plays out there that you believe is going to be the next Shiba Inu in this next bull run. But I just wanted to put some out there and put something in your heads to say, yeah, there might be other options, and let's start to look into things that are outside the Inu space or outside the Doge space or outside, you know, the Pepe space or the Frog space or something that doesn't have a tie to a current meme coin, right? So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.